Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to register your business on Google Maps. So first of all, just go ahead and pin the location that you want to pin. Let's say for example that one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to swipe up to see the options. And here you're going to see an option, add your business to Maps for free. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just add the business name and business category. If it was butcher shop or whatever it might be, I'm gonna just type right here with this name. I'm gonna add, let's say for example, sales, right? Or scale supplier or stable, right? Hit done and then hit next right here. And it says, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office line? And if you want to add, or if you have one already, which we do, just go ahead and hit next. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just add the country in the region, and then the street address, the city, and the zip code, and basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.